Good afternoon, students. So in the previous class we have discussed about an exterior angle of a triangle is nothing but the sum of its interior opposite angles. That we have discussed with the activity and prove it. Now we discuss about the angle sum property of a triangle. To prove this, we again do an activity. So let's see the activity. Okay. So what we have? First of all, what you have to do, you have to draw a triangle of any measure. Okay, mention angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Now we will prove angle sum property. For that, what you have to do, we know that this straight line represent half circle. If you consider this angle, straight line is what? 180 degree angle. So now what we will do, we just cut each angles. Okay, and coincide and arrange in on this line segment in such a way that it will make the 180 degree. So let's see. So first we cut the angle 1. Okay. This activity you can also perform at home and will get the result by yourself also. Now angle 2. Be very careful while cutting the angles. Okay, this is angle 2. Now we cut angle 3. Let's see. So now we have cut out of all the angles. Okay, this is your angle 2 and this is your angle 1. Now what we do, we just arrange this in such a way that we are getting the 180 degree. So this is my angle 1. Then this is angle 2. Okay, and this is my angle 3. That's why I am telling you, be very careful. If extra portion is there, you have to cut it, otherwise you will not get the exact answers. Okay, so you can observe that now all these three angles together make the 180 degree. Okay, all these three angles together make the 180 degree. So this is your, if you consider A, B, C. So what we can say for angle sum property, sum of all the angles of a triangle will give you 180 degree. So this way we can prove the property of triangle. Okay. Thank you. Okay students, so this way also you can represent by using the color. You can just color the portion, that is angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. You can use separate color to identify different angles. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. When you arrange this in such a manner that the sum of all these three angles, that is angle 1, measure angle 1 plus measure angle 2 plus measure angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So this is known as angle sum property of triangle. Okay, so you can also do this activity with the help of using color paper also. You can also use the color to separate these angles 1, 2 and 3, and we know that straight angle measures 180 degree. You can arrange like this and you will also do the activity by yourself. Okay, thank you. This is all about angle sum property of triangle. Okay.